Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're checking out oget.com, a website that's been making the rounds for offering a free $500 gift card. Sounds amazing, right? But we had to ask, is it actually legit or this is just another scam trap? Quick note, all the information here is based on online research and personal opinion. When you visit oget.com, it looks like one of those generic reward sites, offering gift cards and free stuff with a too good to be true vibe. But let's get real. On Scam Advisor, the site has a trust score of just 1 out of 100, which is about as bad as it gets. Even worse, it's been reported as a potential security threat by DNS filter and flagged as harmful by Grind and Salt. Some so called positive highlights mention a valid SSL certificate and that it's been reviewed mainly positively, but there's no trace of any real reviews, no Trustpilot ratings, no Reddit discussions, and the site owner's identity completely hidden. Plus, it's hosted on a server that shares space with other shady websites, and the registrar is known to be popular among scammers. So, is oget.com legit? Based on everything we've found, this site screams scam. It uses bait offers like $500 gift cards to lure people in. But there's zero trust, no user feedback, and multiple red flags from security services. Stay far away from this one. Have you come across Zoget.com or a similar site? Drop your experience in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't fall for these traps again. Stay smart and stay safe online.